Hello, everyone. Welcome to the course on Advanced Manufacturing Technologies for Welded Structures. Starting from this lesson, we will begin studying welded structure analysis. In today's session, we will first learn the topic of weld symbols under the task of reading product structure drawings. Welded structures are formed by joining different parts through welding to meet specific functional and performance requirements. Accurately understanding the weld symbols in structural drawings is the primary prerequisite for producing qualified welded products. For example, how many welds are there in the boom structure drawing? Can you explain the specific meaning of each weld? Through this lesson, we aim to master the composition of weld symbols, be able to explain the meanings of weld symbols in drawings, apply them flexibly by analogy, and develop a sense of standardization. Let's first take a look at a specific weld symbol. What information does this symbol contain? Now, let's learn the composition and specific meanings of weld symbols together. The representation of weld symbols must comply with the recommended national standard, GB/T324, weld symbolic representation on drawings, which includes basic symbols, supplementary symbols, and weld dimension symbols. Next, we will study the specific meanings of each type of symbol in detail. Let's begin with the basic symbols in weld symbols. There are 20 basic weld symbols, which are as follows. 1. Flanged edge weld, fully fused. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 2. I-groove weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 3. V-groove weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 4. Single V-groove weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 5. V-groove weld with root face. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 6. Single V-groove weld with root face. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 7. U-groove weld with root face. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 8. J-groove weld with root face. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 9. Backing weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 10. Fillet weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 11. Plug weld or slot weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 12. Spot weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 13. Seam weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 14. Steep V-groove weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 15. Steep single V-groove weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 16. End weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 17. Surfacing weld. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 18. Flat joint brazing. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 19. Inclined joint brazing. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. 20. Folded joint brazing. The diagram and symbol are shown as illustrated. Next, let's study the supplementary symbols in weld symbols. Supplementary symbols include the following 3 types. 1. Flat surface. Diagram and symbol is shown, indicating a machined flat weld surface. 2. Concave surface. Diagram and symbol is shown, indicating a concave weld surface. 3. Convex surface. Diagram and symbol is shown, indicating a convex weld surface. Supplementary symbols include the following 7 types. 1. Smooth transition. Diagram and symbol is shown, indicating a smooth toe transition. 2. Permanent backing. Diagram and symbol is shown, indicating the backing is permanently retained. 3. Temporary backing. Diagram and symbol is shown, indicating the backing is removed after welding. 4. Welds on 3 sides. Diagram and symbol as shown, indicating welds on 3 surfaces. 5. All-around weld. Diagram and symbol as shown, indicating welding around the entire periphery of the workpiece. 6. Field weld. Diagram and symbol as shown, indicating the weld is to be performed on site. 7. Tail. Diagram and symbol as shown, used to provide additional welding process requirements. The number 2 in the symbol indicates 2 identical welds at that location. Now let's learn the weld size symbols in weld symbols. There are 16 weld size symbols, which are as follows. 1. Symbol S indicates effective throat thickness. Example: I groove weld with throat thickness S. 2. Symbol C indicates weld width. Example: I groove weld with width C. 3. Symbol K indicates leg size. Example: fillet weld with leg size K. 4. Symbol D indicates nugget diameter spot weld or hole diameter plug weld. Upper mark, plug weld, nugget diameter D. Lower mark, spot weld, weld nugget diameter D. 5. Symbol N indicates number of weld segments. Example: fillet weld N segments. 6. Symbol L indicates weld length. Example: weld length L. 7. Symbol E indicates weld spacing. Example: weld spacing E. 8. Symbol N indicates number of identical welds. Example: N identical welds. 9. Symbol H indicates reinforcement height. 10. Symbol delta indicates workpiece thickness. 11. Symbol alpha indicates groove angle. 12. Symbol beta indicates groove face angle. 13. Symbol B indicates root depth. 14. Symbol P indicates root face land. 15. Symbol R indicates root radius. 16. Symbol H indicates groove depth. So far, we have studied the specific meanings of weld symbols. Now, let's go back to the previous question. Interpret the symbols in the diagram and match them to the components of the weld symbol. Basic symbol indicates a fillet weld. Auxiliary symbol indicates a concave surface. Supplementary symbol indicates an all-around weld, welded completely around. Weld size 4 indicates a 4 mm leg size. Therefore, the meaning of the symbol is fillet weld with a 4 mm leg size, concave surface, welded all around. In addition, there are also welding process symbols, which we will not discuss due to time constraints. Everyone, weld symbols clearly represent the shape, size, and location of welds through standardized symbols and dimensional annotations. This ensures that welders can accurately interpret and execute welding tasks. Before operating, be sure to carefully analyze and strictly follow the requirements to ensure welding quality. This lesson is now concluded. Goodbye.